Our newest addition of equipment has been 2 CNC vertical machining centers. We use those to perform secondary operations such as milling, reaming, drilling, and tapping. By utilizing multiple part fixtures, the operator is allowed more time for other tasks such as loading and unloading the fixtures and part inspections, all while the machines are in operation. This allows the machines to be almost continuously running. The regular inspections at each operation also allows us to constantly monitor our process efficiency and provide our customers with a completed part ready for their assembly.